Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Ahmedabad, 28th May 2023, Sunday. The final match of IPL 2023 between Gujarat Titans and Chennai Super Kings has been washed out due to rain. And it has been decided to play the match tomorrow on reserve day. Spectators were specially appealed to keep their tickets. It was announced by BCCI that this ticket will be considered valid during the match to be played on 29th May. Narendra Modi Stadium in Motera was flooded due to torrential rain in Ahmedabad. Also, it was raining continuously, due to which the match could not be played further. However, in the end it has been decided to play the match tomorrow on reserve day. After inspection of the pitch by the IPL management, umpire and the referee, there was no possibility of playing the match today, due to which it was decided to play the match on a reserve day. IPL 2023 Live Scorecard Live Update. Times IPL Final washed out due to rain. Now match will be played on reserve day tomorrow. Times rain starts again in Ahmedabad. Pitch covered again. Overs likely to be cut. Times rain stopped. Cover removed from pitch in stadium. Match likely to start by 9:40 times if Gujarat. First, DJ Nuclear gave a performance, on which the audience was very impressed. Rapper King, Rapper Divine and Jonita also performed. Times rain has become villain in Gujarat-Chennai match. Match will start late. Times heavy rain in Ahmedabad ahead of IPL final match. Dhoni has played 249 IPL matches so far in his career. With this, an amazing record has been created in the history of IPL which has not happened till date. This record relates to the opening match and final of the league this season. Dhoni has played 249 IPL matches so far in his career. While in this list, Mumbai Indians captain Rohit Sharma is at the second number with 243 matches. How does the IPL earn crores of rupees on the cricketers? Where does rupees come from? Know the details. Chennai will play in the 10th final under Dhoni's captaincy. Chennai Super King has played the final 9 times under Dhoni's captaincy so far in IPL, in which the team won 4 title matches and lost 5 title matches. Today, the final match will be held for the 10th time under the captaincy of CSK Dhoni. If Chennai wins this match, then Mumbai will equal Mumbai Indians' record for most 5 wins. Chennai has won 4 trophies so far. Also read Top 5 Reasons to Watch IPL on Digital Platform this year. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more sports updates.